right, folks, we are in Veranera and we're gonna check this place out. Really nice place in Aguadilla for couples. Let's check it out. Okay, here it is. Should have my code. And there we go. You have access. Ooh. Wow. Very nice. I have a wall light. Oh, cool. Oh, it's right there. There's a projector there. A very nice pool. You have the neon lights. Looks like this is a shower area. Looks phenomenal. We have the bed area.
They gave us popcorn.
Oh, you got popcorn.
Oh, babe, that's an espresso machine.
Espresso machine. There we go.
Nice.
It's nice and cool in here.
Oh, they brought a steamer.
Oh, perfect. They have a steamer as well. And this is the bathroom, I assume. Ooh, the bathroom looks really nice. Got the bathrobes. I'm loving this place. You can somewhat see Netflix on here, but I guess the humidity makes it pretty blurry. But it is pretty cool. My wife is really enjoying it. When we turn these lights on, right, makes the experience much nicer.
Tomorrow
Veranera.
Tomorrow we're gonna use the popcorn that they left us.
All right, guys, we are in Aguadilla. We're gonna check out this restaurant, Zippops, and that's my hungry wife wondering when I'm gonna get out of the car. Okay, so service is awesome so far. She ordered sopa de gandules or pigeon peas, and she's ripping it. She loves it. Good?
Just like my grandma used to make it.
Okay. I ordered breadfruit stuffed with meat. So let's see how that is. And we both ordered red snapper with, for me, rice and beans, and for her, salad. But can't wait to have it. There are my rellenos.
Never forgets.
And these are banging. They are so good. Look at that, guys. Huge. Let's try it. Let's try it. It's amazing. All right, guys, we just finished with the restaurant. Zippops was amazing. It was really, really good, guys. I recommend it 100%. The service was amazing as well, and that also counts for much. So extra tip for our waiter. And you know, for some of those that watch my earlier videos about Puerto Rico and restaurants, you already know how I feel. You treat me right, you got a great tip. You don't treat me right, you got no tip. No tip. No tip. Okay? That's all I have to say. Thank you.
But I get the tip.
Right across the street, there's Zippops. So let's see what this is about. Looks good. Here's the final result. Looks really nice. Okay guys, moment of truth. This is a Nutella cheesecake pop, right? Yeah. Yo, this is rocking.
I told you.
Yo, this is so good. Wow. Zippops. Zippops. Zippops has changed my life, guys. It absolutely changed my life. It changed my life. It was just that good. It was that good.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you've been to Señor Paleta, I feel like this is Señor Paleta on steroids. Like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, it was so good. She started eating with her chin. She had like everything all over, like chocolate all over. But yeah, we gotta find a supermarket now to get the milk for the coffee. Let's go. All right, time to swim, night swim, and have some coffee. Oh man, another day to enjoy this beautiful place. Oh, it's really nice. You know, shipping container. That is a shipping container. It's actually phenomenal. This is my beautiful wife. Just relaxing. All right, guys, good morning. We are here in Punta Borinken Beach. Okay, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's beautiful. And this is the way. One of those great, more hidden beaches in Aguadilla. Not so many people come here. Definitely more relaxed. You're not gonna have too many people here. And again, it's a hidden gem. The water is kind of deep here. It's a little rougher, but in the summertime, it's definitely better, as you can see. I mean, the views are absolutely spectacular with the really nice color of the water and the beautiful palm trees in the back, and you have the cliff, right? Really is very beautiful. And of course, we have to have our breakfast. Pretty much a signature here in Puerto Rico. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Looks really good. Oh man, got this all to ourselves mostly. Oh, water is amazing. Feels really nice. Crystal clear. Crystal. Okay. A little rocky in the beginning, and then afterwards, feels great. It's amazing. I wanted to get you guys shots of this area with drone, but the airport is literally, as you can see, there's the airplane flying. It's literally right over this mountain. So Aguadilla Airport, BQN, Class D airspace. They won't allow me to fly in Class D airspace. A lot of VFR flying. Visual flight rules. So with that, you can interfere. And so, but man, what a beautiful beach. I'm loving it. It's amazing. Okay, so just again, a little bit of rocks here once you come in, but once you're in, it's the soft sand. It's nice, guys. It's really nice. What I say is, like I said before, not too common to be here. You got the ruins over there. That's what most people come down here for. The ruins over there, and to get the beautiful views of the cliff from the ruins. Maybe, just maybe, I might be able to fly over there and fly the drone, but definitely not here right next to the airport. But man, guys, this water is fire. It's really nice. I like it. Love the view. And
The water's perfect.
Water temperature is perfecto.
The water is watering.
Sorry, you guys have to deal with that. Let's check it out underneath to see how the water clarity is here. So let's go. Looks like it's very good, but we'll judge it from the video. Oh man, the life. This is the life.